Today we are going to make a chicken biryani in pressure cooker. Sounds difficult, right? In fact, it's super easy to make and cuts down the cooking time to half. Before we start the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to Ready Steady Eat and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's soak the rice. We are using basmati rice. Let's add water and let's keep it aside for 30 minutes. The rice is perfectly soaked, as you can see. Now let's marinate the chicken. In a bowl, let's add Indian curry cut chicken, yogurt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, biryani masala, mint leaves, coriander leaves, green chilies, salt and kevra water. Mix it well using your hands. And keep it aside for 30 minutes. Now let's get to cooking. Heat ghee in a pressure cooker, add bay leaf and saute for a minute. Now add in onions and fry them until they are golden brown. Add the marinated chicken. And cook it until the chicken is half cooked. Add in water and mix well. Now add in soaked and drained rice, salt and mix well. Now cover the pressure cooker and allow it to cook for 3 to 4 whistles. After the pressure subsides, let's check on the biryani. Let's open the lid. It looks perfect. Let's mix everything well. And this is done. Wasn't this super easy to make? Our chicken biryani is ready. Serve it hot and garnish it with brista and some chopped mint. I am sure you will love this recipe, so do try it out and let us know in comments below. See you next time with another delicious recipe.